Using your phone in the car means you're not playing by the rules. And it's not very safe. But Hyundai's Bluetooth technology makes it easier than ever to make a call while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road.
Strike!
Not that kind of call. We're talking about a phone call.
Touchdown!
First, make sure that your key is in the on position or you've pressed the start button for vehicles equipped with keyless start or the vehicle is running. Press the voice command button located on your steering wheel.
Please say a command after the beep.
You'll see a list of voice command options displayed on the screen. For now, we're going to focus on calling a friend from his phone's contact list. So all you have to do is say call and your contact's name.
I want you to call that Coach Rogers right now.
Remember, speak clearly at a normal speaking pace and volume.
Call Coach Rogers.
Calling Coach Rogers.
See what your Hyundai equipped with Bluetooth technology is capable of? Best of all, making a hands-free call helps to keep you safe